If you're trying to grow on YouTube and stuck at 10, 50, or even 100 subscribers, this video might change everything for you. Today, I'm going to show you a realistic, step-by-step strategy to hit your first 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. Not fake bots, sub-for-sub, or buying subscribers. This is a real strategy, especially for targeting viewers in the United States. And yes, this works even if you're starting from zero. Let's begin. Step 1. Pick the right niche for USA audience. If you want fast growth, you cannot post random videos. In the United States, these niches grow fast: personal finance, side hustles, AI tools, motivation, tech reviews, celebrity news, storytelling, funny, relatable skits. Look at creators like Mr. Beast, Alex Hormozi, Ryan Trahan. Notice something: they focus on one clear topic. Do not mix gaming, cooking, motivation, and finance on one new channel. Pick one topic and dominate it. Step 2. Create 14 YouTube shorts in 7 days. That's 2 per day. Shorts grow faster than long videos. The USA market algorithm pushes content that hooks viewers in the first 2 seconds. It favors fast-paced content, uses clear captions, and includes emotional triggers. Your formula: hook, problem, solution, and a clear call to action. For a finance niche, a hook could be 99% of Americans waste money on this. The problem: most people don't realize subscription services drain over $200 monthly. The solution: go to your bank app today and cancel what you don't use. The call to action: follow for more money tips. Keep each short between 20 to 35 seconds. Step 3. Study viral videos. But remember, don't copy them directly. Search YouTube for Side Hustle 2026, How to Make Money USA, or AI Tools for Business. Filter your results by this week to find the freshest viral content. Study their title format, hook style, caption speed, and background music. Also analyze their thumbnail style. What makes them stand out and grab attention? If a video has 500,000 views in just 2 days, that topic clearly has high demand. Recreate the idea with your own unique script and perspective. Never copy. Step 4. Optimize title like a pro. Bad title: how to make money. Good title: how Americans are making $300 a day with this AI tool. See the difference. Add numbers, curiosity USA, targeting words like Americans, USA, dois mil e vinte seis. Step 5. Upload at the right time. Best times for USA audience: Monday, Friday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. EST. Saturday, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Consistency matters more than perfection. Step 6. Use the comment strategy. After uploading, comment this on your own video: would you try this? Yes or no. Pinned comments increase engagement. Reply to every comment in first 2 hours. The more engagement in first 60 minutes, the more YouTube pushes your video. Step 8. Use trending topics the smart way. Check Google Trends, TikTok Trends, and USA News. If something big is happening, create content fast. For example, when AI trends explode, creators talking about tools like OpenAI grow fast. Remember, speed beats perfection. Step 9. Improve retention. This is the most important. If people watch 90% of your video, YouTube pushes it. How to improve retention: remove silence and add captions. Use pattern interrupts and change background every 5 to 7 seconds. Also, add zoom effects. In CapCut, use auto captions. Add smooth zoom every 3 seconds. And add subtle background music. Step 10. The 7-day action plan for YouTube growth. Day 1. Research your niche and create 4 engaging shorts. Day 2. Upload 2 shorts and create 2 more for your channel. Day 3. Continue the momentum by uploading 2 more shorts. Day 4. Upload 2 shorts and begin working on your long video. Day 5. Keep up the consistency. Upload 2 additional shorts. Day 6. Another day, another 2 shorts uploaded to your channel. Day 7. Upload your final 2 shorts and publish your long video. In total, that's 14 shorts and 1 comprehensive long video. If 2 to 3 shorts hit 2 OK plus views, 1,000 subscribers is possible. However, an important reality check is necessary. Not everyone will reach 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. But if your video hook is strong and captivating, your niche is clear and well-defined, your audience retention rates are consistently high, and you post content regularly and consistently, you massively increase your chances of success. Most people quit after 5 videos. Winners upload 50. YouTube rewards creators who treat it like a business. Think long term. Think strategy. Think USA audience. If you're serious about growing your channel in 2026, subscribe right now and comment below. What niche are you starting? Let's grow together.